Welcome to our channel. Today we how to invest in Verizon Communications step by step clearly. Start by conducting thorough research on Verizon Communications. Visit financial news websites to gather recent information. Analyze Verizon's financial health by reviewing their income statement, balance sheet, and cash flow statement. Examine metrics such as earnings per share, debt-to-equity ratio, and dividend yield. Next, set your investment goals. Determine whether you are looking for short-term gains or long-term growth. Establish the amount of money you want to invest in Verizon. Choose a stock brokerage platform that suits your needs. Look for features such as low fees, user-friendly interfaces, and research tools. Create an account with the chosen brokerage. Fund your brokerage account through bank transfers or other available methods. Once your account is funded, search for Verizon's stock ticker, which is VZ. Review the current stock price and market trends for Verizon. Decide on the number of shares you wish to purchase based on your investment goals. Place a buy order for Verizon stock. Choose between a market order, which buys at the current price, or a limit order, which sets a price you're willing to pay. Following your purchase, monitor your investment regularly. Stay updated on Verizon's performance and any news that might affect the stock. Consider setting up alerts for significant price changes or news announcements. Evaluate your investment periodically. Decide whether to hold on to the shares, increase your investment, or sell based on your financial goals. Continue to learn about market trends and investment strategies to improve your skills. Take time to reassess your portfolio in relation to your overall financial plan. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.